3,000. Temporary na for 3 days. Remaining for 3 days. Malamig na ang panahon. May design na sila. 1 hour exercise every day. Kitchen. May restaurant sila. Check. Amigo, beautiful. Beautiful. No? Why? No. Why? It's good.
Not professional.
Why? Oh, yes. Yeah.
This is
Different. Yeah.
I know, different color.
Yeah.
How come? Oh, no.
No, por eso yesterday.
Yes.
Go. No pay. Go. This is
No.
Yeah.
No good.
No good. Come on, that's professional.
And 3 days only. Huh.
3 days.
They said 2 weeks.
No, in 3 days.
I know, I saw it.
This is the texture. Touch.
Who's it? Tell me, my friend.
Mm.
You see my hours? It's good.
Okay.
Filipino.
Yeah. Okay. I need buy in Costco the grass or roll the grass in Costco.
Okay.
But okay.
I think I have extra.
No. I need
This one is good.
yeah, this is good. But I need on the one piece. No cord. One piece.
Oh yeah, no slice.
No slice.
Yeah. Yeah.
In Costco,
It's crazy, man.
in Costco buy for 15
Yeah.
15 feet for long.
I know. See this?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Hi there. Morning.
Y le dije,
See?
this is
Oh my
different.
goodness.
Yeah, this is a here.
And oh my god. That's crazy. It's not good. Because I'm watching them every day. Oh. Yeah, see? Oh my goodness. And how much? 10,000? Oh. Shoot. So no pay yet. No pay.
No pay.
Yeah.
Only
It's crazy.
only 2,000 for the work.
Yeah.
So
So
no pay. Vamos.
okay, good. That's crazy. I think they're the same person who took that thing. Made it, huh?
He's a very good. He's more long. He's
But-
a very good.
But somebody's watching them every minute. They're watching it. If you watch them, you're gonna make good. You know, if you watch them, you know. If you don't watch them, you know how. Okay, my friend. Grabe yung kanyang grass. Hindi maganda ito yung sa amin. Ayan. Grabe naman yun. 10,000. Hindi pa maganda. Ito yung sa akin. Pero ako nag-okay nito. Ako nag-okay niyan. Yan, pero ito, yan. Ako tumira niyan in the first place. Oh my God. Dapat binabantayan talaga pag ito trabaho mga yan. Okay, exercise na.